A pathway to accessible and fair dispute resolution at no cost is on the horizon as access to mediation is set to get expanded through the Justice Through Mediation program for everyone, especially individuals and small business owners who often cannot afford lengthy litigation and legal representation. AFSA CEO Andile Nikani elaborates.
Free in our case means free in all respects. There are no conditions. We don't apply principles such as contingency fees where we claw back some of the money in the event that the parties, for example, have successfully reached a settlement. We do not do any of that. If a party comes to AFSA with a 10 million rands claim, we assist that party. If they have settled, whatever the amount that has been settled by the party, that will be the amount that the party will receive. In my example of a 10 million rands claim, it will be the 10 million untouched, completely as it is. So AFSA will receive zero money from that.
Nikani adds that this free mediation is not about the value of the claim, but ensuring that access to justice is achieved without the burden of mediation costs. He emphasized that the criteria for beneficiaries of such a program is not sector-specific, as long as it is a commercial matter that requires mediation.
The way we see mediation as part of access to justice. We see mediation not as an alternative to justice. In fact, we believe that any dispute, any legal dispute, must first be mediated. Only if mediation has failed, then parties can actually go into arbitration or possibly even litigation. In fact, we believe that litigation should be the last resort when all else has failed.
While AFSA has offices across South Africa that assist in mediation, Nikani clarified that the focus for this program is on Gauteng for now, as a protocol for mandatory mediation is already in implementation in this province.
Our courts, particularly in Gauteng, Johannesburg and Pretoria, are burdened with massive backlogs. And if nothing gets done, we're facing a potential collapse of the courts. Now, the question is, who's going to raise their hand and say we're prepared to assist? And AFSA is saying we're raising our hand and we're prepared to assist, and no strings attached.
AFSA only has 2 calls to make this program a success: bringing as many retired judges and senior counsel as possible for the program so they can be trained as mediators, and 2, for individuals who cannot afford legal services for mediation to turn to AFSA's doors for help. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.